Hello everyone. We're going to take a look at modal dialogs. But what are they? Well, they're the overlay windows that appear when you click an interactive element on a website, like a button or a link. We're going to be taking a look at the example on the Kindera website, specifically the burger menu, which when clicked reveals a navigation panel. So let's hop over to the website. For this demonstration, we're only going to be using our keyboard to navigate the website. To move forward between the interactive elements, we press the Tab key until we reach the burger menu in the top right hand corner. At which point we press the space bar or the Enter key to launch the modal. When the modal opens, it lands on the first focusable element, in this case the close menu icon. This is quite handy because it allows a user to instantly close the menu if they've opened it by accident. I will continue pressing the Tab key so we cycle through all the interactive elements within the navigation menu. But note that we end up back at the close menu button and do not leave the panel. This is an important concept called a focus trap to ensure that it doesn't leak to the links behind the menu itself. The other thing we want to test is that if we reverse the tabbing order using the Shift and Tab key, that again we're contained within the modal itself and do not leave the panel and access the links behind. Next, we'll test how the panel behaves when we zoom the viewport to 200% and then 400% respectively. As you can see, the elements within the panel are still all accessible, readable, and can be navigated using the Tab key. Let's reset the viewport to 100%, and now we're going to close the modal by clicking the Escape key. Importantly, focus is given back to the burger menu icons so the user can continue accessing and cycling through the interactive elements on the page from that point and not at the beginning of the page. We have written a companion article to this video called How to Create an Accessible Modal Dialog, which is available on our website. In it, we go into a little more detail about each one of these concepts, and we also provide code examples that you can use on your own website. We hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.